Validated materials have received basic reliability testing to accelerate the process of bringing new materials into the market. They've been tested and tuned for reliable operation on select Stratasys FDM printers. Hi, I'm Rachael Wratkowski, a Stratasys applications engineer. PA666 is a 20% glass-filled nylon developed by Covestro for use in passenger rail cars. The material provides superior strength and stiffness while complying with fire, smoke, and toxicity regulations such as EN 455452, NFPA 130, and SMP 800C. The glass fill provides superior thermal performance at elevated temperatures. Mechanically, PA666 has a tensile strength at break of 7,250 psi for the on-edge or XZ orientation and 3,600 psi for the upright or ZX orientation. This material is a good fit for replacement and obsolete parts on passenger and commercial rail car applications. Some examples include this armrest, passenger handle, and cable guide. The material can be post-processed and painted, but also has a beautiful appearance directly out of the printer. PA666 is compatible with Stratasys SUP 4000B breakaway support. For more information, please contact your Stratasys reseller or visit stratasys.com. Thanks for watching.